In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in Asana, a crucial skill for streamlining your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Asana account and navigate to the project where you'd like your task template to live. This step sets the stage for creating a reusable framework that fits seamlessly into your existing project structure. Once you're ready, proceed to click on the plus add task button. Naming your task is important for clarity and recall. Consider using descriptive names such as Pampa, blog post template, video editing checklist, or the client onboarding task, depending on the nature of your tasks. This will make it much easier to find and use your template in the future. With your task created, it's time to enrich it with details. Start with the description. Here, you'll want to outline step-by-step instructions that users of the template should follow. Next, break down your task into manageable subtasks. This could involve steps like research, drafting, reviewing, and publishing. It allows users to tackle large projects one piece at a time. You can assign an assignee if it usually remains the same, otherwise leave it blank if this varies from task to task. For due dates, consider using relative dates like +3 days after project start to maintain flexibility across different projects. Don't forget to attach any critical files, standard operating procedures, or links that are pertinent to completing the task efficiently. Lastly, take advantage of Asana's custom fields to add further granularity, such as prioritization, status, or categories. After detailing your task setup, the following step is to highlight the task. This simple action underlines the template's importance and distinguishes it from regular non-template tasks. Next, click on the three-dot menu or the ellipsis inside the task. From here, select Save as Task Template. Give your template a clear and precise name so it's easily recognizable, like Content Task Template. Decide if this template will be available solely for your current project or accessible across your entire workspace, allowing for broader usage. Now that your template is created, it's time to put it to use. In your project, click plus add task and then choose from template. Select your newly saved template and voila! The task, complete with its subtasks, fields, and overall structure, will appear right in your project, ready for action. Beneath all this, remember that managing your task templates is an ongoing process. You can edit, duplicate, or delete them anytime from the Templates tab within the project. Creating multiple templates is handy for different workflows, whether they be hiring, marketing, or design requests, ensuring your team remains organized and focused across various domains. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on creating task templates in Asana. Happy organizing, and may your workflows be smooth and efficient.